个指示牌去走。Let's go. Where's Diego?
Gotta find Diego.
Yeah, we gotta find Diego, right? 好，所以要搭汽车。Oh my God, who it is? Oh yeah, what's up?
Let's go, Yushan baby.
Yeah, let's go.
我们在嘉义.
Yeah, let's go.
Extra lunches or something. Just saying, we've been to Huanshan before in really bad weather, so we're prepared now. We understand that terrible cold feeling of the high mountains. So I think we've packed all our sweaters, all our long pants, and we're ready to take on the the bad weather here. Ready for anything.
Yeah, 90% rain and lightning too. So should be interesting.
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it, man. Danny, where's your bag?
I just left it in the bus, that's all.
No, I put it here.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, you're welcome.
You saved me.
Yeah.
你要吃饭吗?
So after 2 hours driving, where are we now?
我们在阿里山.
Ah, Ali-san, yeah. Nice. So did you buy anything?
I think we might get some lunch and then go up to the cabin
Okay.
for our final rest before the ascend.
Yeah.
So let's do it. Let's get those 7-Eleven noodles.
So
I like how they describe this. A special drink to supply carbohydrates equivalent to a rice ball. Dude, that's a lot of energy. Rice ball energy.
Yeah.
That's what I need.
有什么好吃的 Jimmy?
啊，有什么好吃的呢？
有什么好吃的？这个是什么？
This one is the beef curry rice.
这个是 egg 吗？
是。So what do you want?
I don't know. We got the American meal here.
Yep.
Hot dog, Alfredo. I'm looking, you know, gotta make the best choice.
So what do you want?
Tough decision. Oh my god. Still can't decide.
All right. I'm gonna take. I'll probably take this one. Double cheese chicken spaghetti.
What are my thoughts
Yeah.
on my Korean style chicken?
Korean style chicken?
Yeah.
Wow.
Very delicious. Very good.
Nice.
Quality 7-Eleven meal.
Nice.
For lunch today, just gonna fill the gap with corn soup.
Yeah.
I got some hard-boiled eggs I might eat as part of my lunch also. So just surviving until dinner tonight.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
我们刚刚从阿里山转运站下车的地方呢，就可以直接再接到园林客运。园林客运它一天只有2班，所以千万不能错过。因为我们要从阿里山这个地方呢到塔塔加，然后再从塔塔加大概走个10到20分钟才能到我们今天要住的东埔山庄。千万要记住，1点1班，然后2点是末班车。走吧，走吧。
Terrible execution on this part of the journey.
Yeah.
Let me check the map in the pouring rain. Oh, let's go.
Oh my goodness. Jimmy, I don't want this to happen right now.
Looks like he's ready to go to Chernobyl.
Yeah. Okay, I will stay in the hospital wait for you for 2 days after you finish your mountain trip.
Diego's looking good with the clear punch. Hell yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, we're gonna go this way.
What did she say?
She said we can occupy 4, even with just 3 people here.
How kind of her.
Nice. So down here.
Taiwan, we don't say her,
No,
we say
that's not true. That's not true, man.
YouTube.
And what else?
Jimmy, tell me all the bad words.
No.
I just ask on the street. How can I order the best food?
Ah, yeah.
And then I learn how to order the food, so I can be happy.
Ah, and you are very good at listening, right?
I try.
Yeah, you can copy their voice. Or
I fake it. That's why you guys think I'm good. I fake it. I just copy what I hear, but really I have no idea. I try to combine what I know to make sense of things. My friend just told me about this YouTuber, so last week I started watching this. Before, just if I hear on the street, if I hear something a lot, then I'll ask a Taiwanese person, hey, what does that mean? So I can remember it, because I already heard it so much, and then maybe I can use it. So I just tried to practice like that. Just picking up the most commonly used words. That way I can practice them and listen to them. That's how I learn.
Nice. Yeah, it's good. It's really helpful.
Little by little, yes.
Yeah.
Just ask.
Because everybody go to the Mandarin class or somehow but you are not. You just only learn things from the life.
Right.
Yeah.
Just faking it.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah.
Nice.
And that's how I do it.
It's a good sharing with the audience.
Yes, I know. They want to know. You want to know.
They have a lot of comment. Wow, why Diego accent's so great. Yeah.
No, I just fake it. I listen and I copy.
All right.
I'm like a bird.
You like a bird.
Yeah, 去哪里?
To the audience.
Introduce myself.
Yeah.
我是 Diego. My Chinese name Diego. 我喜欢吃牛肉面
Yeah.
小笼包挂包我去台中
So you are living Taichung. 我住在
我去台中
Yeah, right. 我住台中
Oh, maybe I shouldn't tell everyone secret.
Oh, everybody will go to Taichung to find you.
No, just kidding. In French.
Yeah, in French.
Ben, bonjour, tous les spectateurs francophones. Je pense à vous. Je suis franco-manitobain du Canada. Salut.
And Spanish.
En español les puedo decir que soy tico con orgullo de Costa Rica. Todo pura vida. Aquí en Taiwán a cachete. Así es la cosa.
Oh, muy bien.
Eso, claro. That's what I know.
Yeah. Muchas gracias.
Con gusto. Bujoy, bujoy.
月亮的英文叫月亮，月亮。
Yeah, what is this?
Tofu.
What is this?
不知道啊，这是什么？
They call it bitter melon.
It is bitter.
Yeah.
Dude,
What?
amazing. Amazingly beautiful.
Houston, we have a problem.
Well,
We found something nice.
It gives me hope for tomorrow. It's not just gonna be rainy and cloudy.
yeah.
We'll see some views. It's already worth it coming up here.
True, yeah, it is.
真的，
真的假的？
真的，真的。Wow, cotton candy skies.
And it's crazy seeing the sky and then the clouds under the mountains. It's just something I'm not used to seeing. So we have to make it to about 3,900 tomorrow. So yeah,
So that's almost 1.5 kilometers up.
we got a long ways to go.
Yeah.
Great ways to go. Lot to look forward to. Yo. Getting ready for bed. Gonna get a few hours of sleep and then hit the road in the morning. Yeah. So we got the little bunker to ourselves here. 4 beds for 3 people.
Yeah.
Nice hard bed. Danny.
Let's rest.
Yeah. You ready to sleep?
Nice. Okay. Good night, guys. Sleep tight.
Now you are not
I don't know. 我不会说中文啊。
You are too humble.
还好，还好。
Okay, nice.
Yet.